Hey guys, Ben here from Artec Performance. We're here at the 2024 World Time Attack Challenge. Today marks the first public appearance of our new Artec Turbochargers. We are teaming up with Garrett Motion and utilising their G-Series rotating assemblies in our new bolt-on applications. We've started off with Evo 4-9, 1JZ VVTi, plus we're also utilising those G25 and G30 rotating assemblies in our new 2JZ twin turbo kits. Alright, so we're actually showing off our new G16 GR Yaris GR Corolla bolt-on turbocharger. This is the new race version. It has a enlarged compressor cover with a 90mm or 3.5-inch inlet. It still can be run with the OEM ECU and OEM components. It is designed specifically to run a G25 and up to a G30 turbine wheel. It also has a custom compressor wheel, which is designed to be run up to 45 and 50 PSI, and this will be released later this year. We call this our street turbocharger for the G16. So the guy's looking for the 350 to 450 wheel horsepower with minimal mods. The highest horsepower we've seen from the bolt-on so far is 320 kilowatts on E85 on a totally stock GR Corolla, which makes 220 horsepower. By bolting on just the turbocharger and a tune, that car has gone up to 300 wheel horsepower. This one here is also fitted with our dry carbon air intake, available in all our different carbon weaves. Just check out the website for all the different patterns and styles that we do there. Alright guys, so we've got our little baby or micro turbine housing. This is a 0.5 AR. This is for G25s. This is for smaller displacement engines as well as use on side-by-sides, jet skis, snowmobiles, ATVs, those types of things, as well as twin turbo applications. These are utilised on our new 2JZ twin turbo kit as well. Alright, so we've got our new 1JZ VVTi direct bolt-on turbine housing. We are working on the compressor covers at the moment, but we will also have full frame or full size compressor covers from Garrett with an internal wastegate system, utilising Turbo Smart Artec Edition actuators, which will be designed for the applications. We've also got Evo 4-9 bolt-on, again to suit G25 and G30 rotating assemblies, as well as bolt-on compressor covers or full-size compressor covers depending on your application or your horsepower requirements. So here's the new 2JZ GTE twin turbo system. We've designed the turbo manifolds, turbine housings and compressor covers, as well as matching downpipes for the kit. It will be sold as a complete package to make things very easy for installation. It's designed to run a single Turbo Smart 50mm wastegate, which also makes it easier for plumbing. If you decide to plumb it back in, also makes it a bit easier there. These will be available with a 0.50 or a 0.60 rear housing. They're designed for 500 to 1000 wheel horsepower, obviously depending on other accessories and modifications and the ancillary equipment that you've got on your engine. Alright guys, so what we're showing off today also is our new G40 0.8 turbine housing. We also have a 1.0 just about to be released. This utilises a G35 footprint. So if you've got a G35 or a G30 and you want to make that jump to a G40, it becomes a bolt-on affair. We've got a T4 divided. This is a 1.2 AR. We also have a 1.0 coming out. This is designed for guys with G42s, G45s, as well as it can be designed machined to suit precision 75, 80 and 85 mil turbine wheels. Likewise on the 70 mil V-band versions, which are here. This is a 1.0 and a 1.15 AR. Now these ones have a slight, like a dint or clearance on the side. That is so you can easily fit it on our RB Big Daddy manifold in an R32, 33 or 34 GDR. They run almost the same wall thickness as a Garrett, so there's no issues with burst containment of turbine wheels escaping the turbine housing. All right, here's our Evo Big Daddy manifold. It's fitted with our new turbine housing, and this is with a precision 76-75. So this manifold allows you to run a full-size radiator and AC with a slimline thermofan. It allows you to run a 4-inch downpipe, an air intake with an air filter, as well as your AC. So if you want your 1,000 horsepower street car and to be able to rock around with your AC, this is the solution for you.